Okay, I hadn't wanted to do a video about Nintendo again so soon, but we had decided to break out the NES for some games over the holidays and discovered that this one is dead. The symptom is basically there's a games console or a games cartridge in there right now, but there's a red screen coming up. So I'm going to crack this open and have a look inside. I'm kind of assuming one of two things is that the lockout chip might be disabled. That might help things. So I'll probably do that first, and if that doesn't work out, I'll move on to adjusting the 72-pin connector. I'll have a look at that, give it a clean, bend the pins out again and see can we get it going. Remember to take the game out. It looks a bit crusty on the inside. Let's get these shields off and have a look. Sure, you can see this edge connector down here is pretty crusty, so I'll give this a clean up with some alcohol anyway. There's some gouging and fresh looking rips on the bottom side. I've had this console for a few years. I got it off of eBay. So somebody's had a bit of a mess around with this connector anyway at some point in its history. There's the lockout chip. So to disable this we have to, I think, cut the trace on the 4th pin. So that's basically, I think, lifting it up from the ground by the looks of it. I don't know, looking at that connector, I think I might try and clean this up a bit. Some of the contacts do look a small bit dubious inside. This 72 pin might be damaged beyond... oh, yeah. Might be damaged beyond hope. Let's give it a clean anyway and give it some power and we'll see what happens. Other than that, the board looks okay. There's a damaged ceramic cap here. I'll have to get the value of that for another cap, for another NES. Yeah, something must have happened in this history, because there's caps pushed over, the resistor network here is pushed over. So what I'm going to try to do with this cap here makes it awkward is just get in with the side cutters there on the 4th pin and snip the lockout chip. That should make it fairly easy to put a solder blob reconnect it. There we go. So that's quite successfully disconnected now. Just want to make sure there's absolutely no bridges there, so... Oh! There's my little blade. We'll just test continuity there as well now. Yeah, no continuity. Okay, we're good there. So let's give this a try and see if it works. I'm not holding out hope because of that dodgy looking 72 pin connector, but we'll give it a go anyway. Okay, so let's give this a go. No, we still have a red screen. So that's kind of leading me towards the notion that we've got a problem with the 72 pin connector. Let's get down to cleaning this thing. I know this isn't ideal, but it's close to Christmas as well, so I'm just making do with what I have to hand here. Okay, I have some card here that I'm putting drops of alcohol onto, and I'm using that now to clean out the SIF connector. I just want to make sure there's a good clean end on it here as well. There we go. There's something funky going on around there. can see there's a small bit of schmutz coming off. There's definitely something strange going on there. Enough to bend the cardstock. Oh. Hopefully that's brightened it up enough, so I'm gonna use tweezers here to tease the connectors up a small bit. Okay, let's get this put back together. Feels like it's making a good enough contact, but as I said, one or two of those pins feel a bit weird, so now fingers crossed. Help if I plug the fucking thing in, wouldn't it? Now here we go. Shit. Oh, we have it. Nice. Let's give this a go. I don't remember if you can hot plug these controllers or not, but let's try it anyway. So there we have it. Oh. I'm not sure what's going on here. The timer is going, but Mario is not, and I can't pause the game. So let's see. The one possibility is that I've swapped the controller ports inadvertently when I was putting it back together. Let's see if that happened. That's exactly what I did. So, there you have it, a teardown and repair of an original Nintendo NES console. Well, so basically what I did was I cut the 4th pin of the lockout chip to disable it, and I redid the 72 pin connector. I cleaned both sides, I cleaned the motherboard contact, and then I used the tweezers to tease out all of the individual teeth on the 72 pin connector. So we're back in business. Happy holidays.